about that time. Time for a brake job on the Bernardo Brothers custom truck. Got the passenger side apart. Got the driver's side done. Let's go take a look at that. So we got new wheel cylinder, brake shoes, got the drum cut, nothing like a fresh cut drum. Got the new rubber brake line going to the wheel cylinder, spindle cleaned, inspected, repacked the bearings and put it back together. Nice day to be working out in the driveway. The GM Rochester single barrel carburetor. Fairly simple and straightforward. Basic cleaning, new gaskets, float, needle. Should have it back on the truck later this evening. Get this baby fired up and running. In addition to getting the engine running and basically the truck driving and roadworthy, I went through the wiring, basically replacing every wire, installing turn signals. I did put an alternator on this. It's got 12 volt ignition. A lot of little things go into it to make it a roadworthy vehicle and mechanically sound and safe. It's got a new aluminum radiator, a new water pump I put on, adjusted the valves, rebuilt the carburetor, a new starter, ignition switch, electric fan. I went through the brakes, all new brakes, repacked bearings, parking brake cables, rear drums, the whole kit and caboodle, you know. The current engine in this truck is a 58 235 straight 6. I got this one running. Seems to run really well, so for now I'll go with it. But originally, back when it was a show truck, it had the original straight 6, but with some mild hop-ups done to it, like a 3/4 race cam, McGurk intake manifold with 2 carburetors. I like to try and track down that intake and put that on this engine if I could. So, but like I said, for now we're going to run with what we got and go from there.